Hi YouTube, my name is Lokie and welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and as you can see from my title, I will be talking about the Hermes HAC bag and my personal review on it. Before we get into the review, this is my first YouTube channel, so let me just really quickly introduce my channel to you guys. Life with Lokie has been thoughtfully created to showcase my love for all things luxury and my luxury experiences and reviews. I'm a big lover of the brand Hermes. I love the quality, the brand's history, and its classic designs. In fact, I own a few Hermes luxury bags and some of them are vintage, which I have purchased pre-loved. I shop a lot in the resale shops and I have discovered and learned a lot about the brands. So if there are anyone out there who are considering investing in any of these pieces that I own in my collection, I would like to share my reviews of these items, and hopefully it will help someone out in making a decision on these items. So if this is something that interests you as well, I would love you to like and subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you back here. So let's get started today. I would really like to share with you guys some information about the lesser known Hermes HAC bag. Some background information about how I purchased this bag. My hubby and I were in Japan a few years back, and we were just window shopping when I chanced upon this bag in a reseller shop, which looks like the Hermes Birkin bag. At that time, I knew little about the brand. I knew about the two highly sought after bags, which were the Kelly and the Birkin. However, the proportions of this bag were slightly different. I have the bag here with me. It is an Hermes Birkin HAC in size 32 in contraband leather. The color is in natural with gold hardware, and the condition is excellent. So long story short, I purchased the bag quite immediately. Only then did I start to do my research into this bag and realized that I chanced upon a piece of Hermes history. Well, I'll be covering a few segments today regarding this bag: the history, the sizes available, comparison with the Birkin bag, pros and cons of the HAC, and lastly some mod shots to give you guys some idea on how it will look. Well, how to pronounce this HAC? Courroie, or rather in short, HAC. Courroie means high belt in French. Interesting, isn't it? This bag was created in 1892 and it is older than the Birkin bag. The original purpose of the Hermes HAC bag was to transport riding equipment like saddle and boots. So can you imagine stuffing this bag with horse riding equipment? Emile Maurice Hermes designed the HAC after bags carried by cowboys in Argentina, which then inspired him to start the production of the bag in 1892. This is important in Hermes history because the making of the Kelly and the Birkin, which we see today, were based on the details of the HAC. And you will see how similar it is when I do the comparison in a short while. The HAC bag is not as easy to find today because it is limited in supply and the demand is as high as the Birkin bag. The HAC is a pretty versatile bag for both ladies and men. The sizes available, if you're lucky to get your hands on them, come in HAC 27, 32, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. I have the HAC 32 with me here. It measures 32 cm in length, 27 cm in height, and 16 cm in depth. Basically, the construction of the HAC is pretty similar to the Birkin bag. Externally, most of its features are similar, like the sangles, the turn lock, the clochette, the double handles, and the flap. Internally, the HAC and the Birkin bag are spacious and feature stunning interior detailing the big compartments, like the patch pockets and the zippered compartments. The stark difference of the dimensions of the bag is which is really not a big deal. Some people prefer bags which are taller, as it accentuates their frame and provides more depth in their bags. Take for example the Birkin 30, which measures 30 cm length, 22 cm height, and 16 cm depth, which also means that it is shorter by 2 cm across and lower by 5 cm in height. However, the depth is the same. Another example is the Birkin 35, which measures 35 cm length, 25 cm height, and 18 cm depth, which means lengthwise it is 3 cm longer and 2 cm shorter and just slightly wider in depth. So you can see that the HAC 32 is an in-between size between a Birkin 30 and a Birkin 35. Handle height is slightly shorter in the HAC when compared to the Birkin, so it may be difficult if you like carrying it in the crook of your arm. Firstly, this is a great bag for travel. It has got good depth, so it is easy to store your in-flight essentials like a nap pillow, cosmetics, shawl, etc. In the next video, I'll be showing you what I can store in my HAC 32. Secondly, it may be slightly cheaper as compared to the Birkin bag. It is mostly found in the pre-loved market, and if you chance upon one in excellent condition, it really is a score. This bag is great for both men and women. Size-wise, there are more options than the Birkin bag. As for the larger and bigger HAC bags, would definitely suit taller and bigger build frames, as it looks more proportionate when carried. Of course, for petite girls who are tall, this would also look great. I will do some more shots later for your reference. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. For those lucky enough to get your hands on this bag, please share your comments down below and how you enjoy your bags. Thank you for watching once again. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be talking more about my luxury Hermès bag experience in the next few coming videos. Take care and goodbye.